Hi! In front of me is Realme 8 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this Realme. Start by opening Settings, then you need to scroll down and choose Notifications and Status Bar. Then click on Manage Notifications and select one of your apps, for example Assistant. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, just click at the same switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps and manage notifications by tapping on the switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!